Today, you'll discover two stocks to keep an eye on for December 2022. The first stock is the real estate company Prologis with the ticker PLD. This company is the largest industrial real estate company in the entire world with a market cap of over $100 billion. And while real estate is considered as a perfect hedge against inflation, it could be a great opportunity for you to make some great dividend income while protecting yourself from a future recession. And the second stock on my list is the pharmaceutical company Johnson & Johnson with the ticker GNG. This company that has multiple star products just like Tylenol, Motrin, and Polysporin is currently considered as the largest pharmaceutical company in the entire world with over $93 billion of revenue in 2021. Add to this, the healthcare sector is another essential service, meaning that even in crisis times, people will keep being sick and they will still need to have some help, so this sector should continue to perform super well. Follow for more.